That's him. Marcus Holloway. Time him.
Too late, he's in. Who is he?
That's the guy who could help us change the world. Welcome to DedSec. I'm Satara. This sweetheart is Josh. This weirdo's Wrench. And this is Horatio.
It's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough to come get me.
Bloom CTOS is like a giant spider web, endlessly gathering data. They're making backroom deals to trade our private information. We have to stop this. We're talking data manipulation on a massive scale. Rigged elections, weapons programs, spying into people's homes. All of it controlled by one man, Bloom CTO, Dusan Nemec.
Wait, so all these companies just agreed to up and funnel all their data through Bloom? Does anyone else find it suspicious?
All that data at Bloom's fingertips, that's like the world's most powerful monopoly.
This is systemic injustice at its highest level.
Let's show them what going to war with us really means.
I'm gonna break it down like this. I'm gonna break it down like this.
I want to introduce you to Raymond Kinney.
Hey, and you're talking to Bloom's public enemy number one, son?
Don't go near DedSec. They're my responsibility.
That, my friend, is CTOS without any makeup.
A few civilian casualties is the cost you have to pay for the betterment of the world.
You can't see the people you're stepping on.
Guess what, Marcus?
Guess what?
People, they don't care how it works, only that it does.
Namaste.